Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload a thumbnail on TikTok from PC, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the TikTok apps on the screen, where you can see the upload button at top right corner. Just click over it there, and now you will be redirected to the TikTok Studio page, where you simply need to select a video first. So click on select video button. Now once you upload a video, you will be able to see the cover option. So simply click on edit cover option, and now click on upload cover. It's on in the screen, which is at upside of this section. So you can simply click on select a file and select the photo which you want to upload as a thumbnail, and you'll be able to upload a thumbnail successfully. So basically this is how you can upload a thumbnail on TikTok from PC. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.